How to hard reset back to the factory default settings your Foxotin T16 wireless Bluetooth earbuds. You probably got them off Amazon. But anyways, you might want to do this if they're not pairing with your iPhone or with your other Bluetooth device, or if they keep disconnecting, or if you're only getting sound out of the left ear or the right ear. We can go ahead and just do this reset. If we just want to kind of set them up new and not have them paired to anything, we can go ahead and restore the factory default on it. What we're going to do is, with them out of the case, they need to be not connected to anything. All right, so right now you can see this is blinking green. It's in pairing mode. So what I'm going to do is I can quickly tap the back of either the left or the right. It doesn't matter. And if it works, both will go solid green for a second, and then it will turn off. And then I'm going to set them back in the case. So I'm going to show you. I'm just going to do it. I'm right-handed, so I'll do it on the right side. I'm just going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and they both turn solid green. They blink, and now they turn off. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and put them back in the case. Close the case, wait a second, open them, and now I'm just going to take them out like I'm taking them out for the first time and pair them to whatever device I want to pair them to. If this video helped, if you leave me a like, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks a lot for watching.